Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours worth of time. So while this here may look like a couple months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And given cryptocurrencies are open 24/7, it just allows for me as a presenter to put out a video that's going to remain relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to do that by just talking about broader levels. And when you talk about broader levels, like I said, that's just going to make the chart not go irrelevant within the next couple of hours. So for those of you that have watched the past videos, this will mean a little bit more to those of you. But I've been talking about this orange line right here as the trend line. And, I'm not patting myself on the back, but I am going to pat charts on the back. You just can't make this stuff up. The price fell, and then, oh, what a shock. Look right around the zone of the chart where the price found support before getting a little miniature bounce right here, right at that trend line. So that's what always makes me laugh. Oh, charts don't work. No, are charts perfect? No, nothing is perfect. There is no holy grail. But to say that charts are a joke or don't work, here's just yet more proof on why you just kind of got to shake your head and say, all right, I guess that's your opinion. But point here being that this continues to be the key level of support going forward, meaning from more of a broad picture of things, you definitely want to see the price stay above that orange line, because as long as that remains the case, that implies from the quote-unquote storybook perspective that the price is indeed continuing to make progress in the upwards direction. And assuming you're bullish, that's exactly what you want to see. Now, in the event the price does get a break to the downside of that orange line, the next level of support to keep an eye on would be right there around the 9,900 mark. So 9,900 key level of support in the event that level right here, cannot quite hold up. Now, on the flip side of things, again, this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos. But if you have, you're probably annoyed and sick of me talking about it. But time and time again, I keep talking about this purple line being the big resistance and the annoying level of resistance. And, just saying, yeah, until the price can get above there and stay above it, that is just the thorn in the side of the chart. And we had that happen once again where, yes, the price broke above it, both there. Yes, the price broke above it. But when it came to that second step of establishing a true break, which means staying above the level you just broke above, both times you can clearly see the price failed to do that, and the bulls fell back below. And then once again here, the price fell back below. So, I mean, that purple line remains that, stubborn area of resistance. And for those of you that maybe have not seen the video, just another example of that. Yeah, sure, the price broke above the purple line. So as far as breaking the purple line, that is not the problem. The bulls have proven they can do that. But the problem becomes staying up above the point after they get through it. So definitely that still remains key level of resistance going into the weekend. So we'll see what happens, but nice bounce off the trend line, and we'll see maybe if over the weekend the bulls can finally get a true break of that 50 period. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.